Hi guys, join me for the Father's Day celebration with my family. We're going to cook special bam-e, and these are the ingredients: cabbage, carrots, red onions, and garlic. And also we need soaked in warm water mushrooms and some meat that we're going to add on our noodles, which is marinated pork meat. Seasoning, we're gonna add magic syrup, also the main ingredients are the special pancit canton that we're going to add to our noodles, one of the main ingredients for the bam-e. And then I already have here soaked in water the mung bean noodles. And last but not the least is the oil we needed.
We're eating bam-e, and my chef is my mother. Next is garlic and onion. No, it's onion, and then this is the green meat. Followed by the mushroom and pork. The bean pork. Wait for a couple of minutes. Then we're gonna add some soy sauce. It's a silver one. Soy sauce. There's no mixturing on this. Just and some seasoning. Yeah, the seasoning is with that GMO. It has the and magic syrup, of course, and add some hot water to make sure that all the meat are cooked. Easy to cook. The pork, yeah, easy to be tender. Then cover afterwards and wait for a couple of minutes until it will boil before we're gonna add the remaining ingredients. It's boiling now. It's ready to put all our noodles. So we're gonna put the noodles first. The mung bean noodles. Mix it up really good. Add the canton noodles afterwards and mix it up. Let's mix it. Bayot man. Bam-e for dinner tonight, celebrating Father's Day. Add all the vegetables. This one.
There you go guys, it's all done. Special Bam-e Noodles for Father's Day celebration preparation today. Next, we are preparing right now fried buttered chicken, recipe of Ina. Right now we are deep frying the chicken, the coated chicken, and we're gonna wait until it will be turned golden brown. And of course, here in our dirty kitchen, and as you can see guys, we're just using medium heat high, deep frying the chicken, and it should not be crowded.
Yum! Buttered chicken by Regina. Steamed okra. My favorite. Look. Finally, I'm gonna eat my favorite crabs. Blue crabs. Bam-e. And Al's favorite.
What's the name?
Bolanao. And gisado
Mga una tabi.
pork. This is our preparation for Father's Day.